Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix various types of errors that you get on Steam, either while launching the game or while launching Steam or other issues. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart your Steam as well as PC. So for that, you go to Steam, now click on Steam option over here, then click on exit, and after that need to click on start option over here, then click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your system along with Steam, and after that check if the problem or the error you are getting is resolved or not. Next is to check Steam server status. So when there is any kind of error on Steam, you should check if there is any server problem. So for that, I have provided the link in the description. Just visit the Steam server status page to ensure that there isn't a system-wide issue. So you can go through Steam, and here you can check if there is any downtime going on. So if there is any downtime, you just have to wait for a few minutes or few seconds and again check if the downtime is resolved or not. If this is not the problem, then follow the next method. The next method is to restart your router. So if you are using internet via router, then it's suggested to restart your router once, because you should make sure that there is no connection issue and internet is stable enough to launch Steam. You are also suggested to restart your internet router, and if you can switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or do vice versa. So after doing these changes, check if the problem is fixed or not. Next is to run Steam as administrator. Go to desktop, right click on the shortcut icon that it is in the home page, and then click on properties. Now click on compatibility, and here you have to select run this program as an administrator and then hit on apply and OK. Now check if the problem is fixed, or else click on run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 7 or Windows 8 and then hit on apply and OK, and after that check if the problem is resolved or not. Next solution is to clear download cache. So for that, go to Steam. Here click on Steam option, then click on settings. After that, go to the download section, then here go below and you need to click on clear cache option beside clear download cache. So after doing this, check if the error on Steam is fixed or not. Next is to delete specific folders. So for that, you first need to exit Steam and then go to the Steam where it has been installed, and then delete the client UI and Steam UI folders. So what you need to do is, first you need to exit Steam. So click on Steam, then click on exit. After that, go to File Explorer, files. Now here you can see Steam, open it, and here you can see client UI. You simply need to right click on it and click on delete. After deleting this, go below and here you can see Steam UI. Now right click on it and click on delete option. So after deleting these folders, now check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, next is to allow Steam through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows security, and after that now click on firewall and network protection, then click on allow an app through firewall. After that, click on change settings, then go below and look for Steam. Here it is. Select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. And after that, check if the Steam error is resolved or not. Next is to check for Steam client updates. So for that, go to Steam. Here you need to click on Steam option over here, then here you can see check for Steam client updates. You simply need to click on it and it will check if there is any update available for the Steam. If yes, then simply update your Steam, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. Next is to verify game file. So if the problem is from the game site, then you need to simply verify the integrity of game file. So open Steam, under library section select the game that you are facing issue, and after that right click on it, click on properties, then click on install files, and then verify integrity of game file. So this is the solution when the game doesn't launch or the issue is from the game side. So after verifying the game files, check if the problem is fixed. Next is to repair library folder. So for that, open Steam, go to Steam option, then click on settings. After that, click on storage, and here select wherever your games are installed, and after that here you need to click on three dot icon and then click on repair library. So after repairing the library on Steam, now check if the problem is fixed or not. Next is to update graphic drivers as well as update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now go below, expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your graphics card. Once updated, after that update your Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows page. Here you should check if there is any update available. You simply need to click on check for updates, and if there is any update, it will show you. After updating your Windows, now check if the problem is fixed or not. Next is to temporarily disable antivirus. So if you are having any antivirus program installed on your system, you need to disable it. And after disabling the antivirus software, now check if the Steam error you are coming across is fixed or not. If not, the final solution is to reinstall Steam. So for that, go to the Windows search for control panel. Now click on uninstall a program. After that, go below, and here you can see Steam option, right click on it and click on uninstall. So this will remove or uninstall Steam from your PC. After that, restart your system once. After restarting, again reinstall Steam, and then check if whatever the problems you are coming across is resolved or not. So these are few suggested solutions that will surely help to fix any kind of errors that you receive on Steam, either while playing or launching or any other kind. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.